Hey, what's up guys? Mikey here. So, about a month ago, I got on AliExpress and bought a CNC machine. About a month later, here it is. So, notice there's not really any videos about the unboxing or quality of this is from Buildman 3D, or Bulkman 3D. There's a Queen Bee video out there. This is a Lead CNC, so I figured I'd help you guys out for those that are interested. I bit the bullet, bought one. We'll see how good the quality is, and yeah, enjoy. I'm going to start unboxing now. The loud, annoying sound of the drone footage that I'm actually going to take while I'm unboxing this. If you like this footage, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Yeah, that old adage. Anyway, we're going to start. Stepper motor. Switch over here so you guys can see us. Another stepper. Another stepper. All pretty well packaged so far. Got limit switches, looks like. This is a Servo Driver. One, two. 24-volt power supply for the Mach 3 or UC 300. The control wire ordered. This guy. See there? UC 300. Not MEC, UC. Wow. So far I'm really impressed with the packaging. Look at that bad boy. It looks way smaller online. It's not what she said. The last. Nope, should have one more of these. We got some power connectors, some brackets with some bolts, brackets and bolts, more brackets. This looks like this is going to be for the drag chain. Like Christmas Day. Oh, spindle holder. Okay. Two. Trash can. This is going to be the gantry plates. Not bad. Not bad. Actually feels pretty solid. Okay, these are going to be the end plates for the extrusion. We got some wire. 4 wire, probably for the stepper motors. And more wire. Not really sure why these are so short, but I guess we'll figure it out here in a little bit. Okay, looks like that's all of the the bolts and nuts and shims and wheels and bearings and everything else is in that bag right there. That's it for this. Oh, almost forgot. Let's get like some drop-in T-nuts. It's going to be the spindle box. Fun. Okay. So I opted to go for the 1.5 kilowatt water-cooled spindle. I figured it'd be cool to be like, oh, my CNC machine's water-cooled. Looks like we got some more wire here. The 4-core shielded cable. This must be for the stepper motors. That must be for the main power. Got some drag chain. Oh yeah, maybe build me a tank. Another drag chain. Another drag chain. Pullets. Metric, of course, you know. Oh, they included an 8/4. Cool, that's pretty neat. I ordered one of those because the site did say that they had, it was all metric. So, knowing ahead of time might save you 20 bucks. Emergency stop button. Probably be our other power supply. Another 24 volt, 300 watt. Yep. Water pump for the liquid cool. Just the VFD. Oh yeah, got that VFD action. I don't even know what that stands for. If you know, leave it in the comment section below. This bad boy got to be that spindle. Hear that? That's how you know it's good. Heavy. Look at that behemoth. Looky there. That'll put a dent in something. Got the plug here. Ah, that's what that big cable's for. Okay, it's coming together. Don't judge me. I don't know everything. Including how to put this back in here. Just kidding. Okay, now for the aluminum bits. Not bit as in like drill bit, but bit as in parts. Don't want to scratch up that aluminum. Oh yeah, some C-beam action. Oh yeah, get a load of that bad boy. And these are all individually wrapped in plastic, so I'm gonna have to like take off the stuff, I guess. Oh, how satisfying is that? Like a Band-Aid. More C-beam, that's probably for the Z-rail, which Full disclosure, I may or may not have bought the upgrade to get a 8-inch. Yeah. 20 by 80. Probably won't be using those, but more C-beam. All in all, it looks good, man. Packaging was great. No bent ones. I will have to measure it, make sure they're on the right thing. That's one thing that I've heard about getting this stuff from AliExpress is that sometimes the links aren't exactly dead on. So let's actually try that right now. So we're going to measure this. We're going to see how close it is to the 1500 millimeter. I don't have a millimeter or a metric tape measure. Millimeter measure. I don't have a millimeter measurer. But I do have a regular tape measure. 1500 should be somewhere just a tad over 59 inches. So let's see where we're at. Exactly 59 and a 16th. So that should be pretty close. Okay, 20 by 40, 20 by 40. Out. Okay, so rule number 1, extrusion is very sharp. Wear gloves. You know, quick triage treatment here in the shop. It's called a redneck band-aid. It's a shop paper towel with electrical tape. And then you put your gloves back on like you're supposed to do from the beginning. Go. We got our 3 Acme 8, I think, lead screws. This is what drives the whole machine. Good. Alright. Okay. My friends, we are to the bottom. And that is it. That completes our unboxing. All the stuff is on the table. Next time you see it, hopefully it will be all put together.